Hello guys, this is Hanstali and you are watching TechKnowledge. So today I'm going to show you how to insert a video in HTML. So let's begin this video. So first of all, I will go to my folder HTML and I have a video. Oh, not this. Yes, this one. And this is a MP4 video. I am a founder and owner of TechKnowledge YouTube channel. That's it. Okay. So I will open with code. I will click open with code. After that, you can see there mark you and details and HR. Okay. So first of all, I will make a file. Okay. I will make a.html and I will write my basic code. HTML head and title, and in title I will write this how to insert video in HTML. Okay, now I will make body tag. In body tag I will write video. Okay, video is a tag. Okay, and src. Here I will write my video.mp3. Okay, and I will open my a.html and I will save it and refresh. So here you can see the video has been inserted, but I can't control this video like play, pause. Okay, so how to control this video? For control this video, I will write control. Control is a attribute and save and refresh. And here you can see play, pause button and seek button. Okay, and mute button and full button. Okay, so now I will give width of the video, width 400, and refresh it. So now I will click play. I am a founder and owner of TechKnowledge YouTube channel, and you. Okay, so that is it, guys. If you like this video, so please like my channel, like this video, and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.